everyone. I'm here today to demonstrate a 1960s or possibly early 70s Echoplex made by Maestro. These were the early form of delay done with an actual tape instead of digital. This particular machine is complete, even has the lid and the protective cover for it, and all the instructions, and even has 2 extra tapes that come with it. So let's take a look at this. Here I have it set up on Echo. You can see that control right there, Echo, and to play the guitar here you can hear the sound. So that's giving you multiple echoes. That's due to the sustain. If you turn the sustain control down, then you get a single echo. And then intensity of the echo is this control. That echoes as strong as the original signal. Over here, the echo almost imperceptible. Up here on about 4, there. It's very subtle. In increasing the sustain improves. And then of course turning both up really gets into some crazy sounds. So now to show you how the timing works, that's a slow delay. By moving this over, the closer you move it to the left, the faster the echo is. So that's almost imperceptible. I'll take this lid off to show you what the inside of this looks like. It's a continuous feed tape, little specialty device, and that's what it looks like. So that tape is moving in about I think a 3-minute endless loop. There's a sound on sound feature which I am not going to demonstrate, but this switch right here shows sound on sound. I believe that's simply it will record for as long as the loop goes, and then you can play back using a kind of primitive but effective sound on sound with other instruments. There's 2 foot switches that come with it. There's a black one and a silver one. So the black one activates it, and the silver one turns off the recording light. So it's used in conjunction with both foot switches. So the off switch is here. Now to put this back together, put this on it. Unplug everything, and down here is all the instructions. Pretty cool. Instructions right on the inside of the box. There is the original box for it, and over here is the dust cover. It's a pretty interesting little piece of equipment. Well, I can't seem to put that on one-handed, but you get the idea. So, anyway, thanks for attending my little demonstration of the Maestro Echoplex.